It's a handmade jewellery. Not my thing, but you can. There you go. There you go. You can see some of the prices there.
Fixed price.
So this is called
Agabong.
AGABONG Fashion and Jewellery. So again, yeah, Jalan Padma that way, Jalan Malastay that way. So come and visit the guys if you're looking for these types of things. Yeah, all fixed price. So you don't have to have the hassle of bargaining with people.
For
And they've got, so you can pay cash or tap and go. So yeah, come and see them if you're in the area, if you'd like some jewellery. See you later. So we did a video here last time we were here for all the handicrafts. But everything is priced. No hassling. How are you?
Good, thank you, mate. And you?
I'm well. I'm well. Good. So you can see they've got prices on everything. So if you'd like some of the handicrafts,
Yeah.
you can come and see them.
Sorry,
Yeah, right. Yeah, come and see the guys at AGABONG. They'll fix you up. So yeah, everything is individually labelled.
Yeah.
So no hassle having to argue with people.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
And there's plenty of ducks.
Yeah.
Thank you.